Hello students, this is Mr. Olson, and I want to show you how to register for the Intro to Literature / College Rhetoric class through SMSU. First thing you need to do is go to the SMSU website. I do it by typing in smsu.edu. This page should come up. When you get to this page, scroll down. On the left, you'll see College Now. Click that. When you get to this page, then scroll down a little bit. You'll see right at the very top, there's an option to register for College Now course. Click that. Brings you to this screen, which probably will look familiar to most of you. What you need to do here is make sure that the campus selected is College Now for high school students. Okay? Make sure that the semester that you've chosen is spring 2018. All right? And then expand for advanced search. On location, open that window and scroll down and find our high school. St. Francis High School. Okay? Once that's in there, click search. And then looks like we have Trig and Intro to Lit going on this trimester at our school. So to select this class, you click Add, and then it takes you to this field where you have to enter your star ID, your password, and then log in. Once you get past this step, you'll be able to complete the registration. If you have any trouble getting this done, make sure that you let me know when I'm back in class, because this needs to be done by March 23rd if you want to get credit, college credit for the class. All right, I hope that helps you, and be productive today. Best wishes.